Hello kids, welcome to Kiddos TV. Today we are going to learn alphabets. We will be coloring from A to Z. Let us get started. This is A. A for apple. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for goat. H for hat. I for ice cream. J for joker. K for kite. L for lion. M for monkey. N for nest. O for owl. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rose. S for sun. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for van. W for watermelon. X for xylophone. Y for yo-yo. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. Thank you kids for coloring all these alphabets with me. I hope you like it. Do like and subscribe. Bye bye.